Another day of Vlogmas. We're here in the kitchen and I am cooking quinoa, sprouted quinoa. It's my cheesy curry quinoa, which sounds probably weird, but it's great. Something I can eat. The cheese is made with nutritional yeast, so it's still vegan friendly. And yeah, I'm here. I'm in between meetings. I've had a really productive morning, couple meetings. Kevin is sick. How you feeling, baby?
Okay.
He's sick. He is cutting up some onions for lunch. Rick is helping me type up lots of emails because I'm still recuperating, but as you can see, no brace today, so we're making progress. And yeah, that's the start of Vlogmas. Hey, Gav.
What?
Just look at me for a second.
You want me to cut those?
No, this is where.
Kevin is using goggles. I think it's to make sure that he does not cry while cutting the onions. Do they work?
Yeah.
Again, we're still promoting odor ban here. It's still on our countertop.
Cooking stir fried, veggie style. Veggie style, stir fried. Mr. Rick put in onions. Now I'm gonna put in the Asian broccoli. aka Bok Choy. Bok Choy.
La comida es para mí.
On the Rick eating.
Sí.
Yes. All these vegetables for Rick. Rick's gonna eat all these vegetables.
Where do they grow the bok choy?
Down.
Does it come out of China or is it everywhere in Asia?
I think they probably grow this one in California.
California.
I'm pretty sure they imported it from Asia. But I believe this is actually grown in California.
So is this bok choy mainly Chinese or do they eat it in all of Southeast Asia?
We eat it all in Southeast Asia, man.
So Vietnam, Laos, all of
All of them.
Korean too?
Yeah, I got this from a Korean supermarket.
You're killing it! You're killing it!
It's already been dead.
No! You're killing it! You killed Kenny, you bastard!
Killed the Bok Choy. The Bok Choy got killed. Killed and sliced and diced. Oh, they get sliced. I think
Slice and dice like shredder.
stir fry sauce. Come on, stir fry sauce. Stir fry sauce. Your 2 spoons of stir fry sauce.
It's like barbecue.
It is, isn't it? When I had leftover jerk sauce from Melissa's like turkey, I poured it in there.
From where? In there? Oh yeah?
Gave it a little kick. I also put turkey in there, the leftover turkey in there. Nathan didn't even know that was turkey meat.
Yeah? What do you think it was?
She thought it was just regular chicken. Like, ooh, man. Waste not, what not. Smell that kind of mushroomy sauce. So she did it.
Do you guys smell it?
Smell
internet-
what I'm not the wok, but smell what he would be cooking if he were cooking here.
On the internet webs, on the interwebs,
the
you guys
websites.
smell it?
Intersites.
Thank you. Adios, fans.
Hello, say hi. Say hi for the vlog. It's Vlogmas. We're going different places. Do not do this at home. This is highly not recommended. Rick, what do you have to say for the camera? I love you, America. I love you, America. I gotta go. Goodbye. Whee!